Hey everyone, welcome to the Crypto ZX channel. If you're new, do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. But now let's get right in today's topic, which is regarding none other than Kaspa. We're going to be discussing what's happening with Kaspa right now, where we could see the prices of Kaspa going. A lot of things to cover. If you guys are not, aware, I know I did see a lot of comments coming in over the past, week and a half. A lot of people wondering, where is Crypto ZX? I made the post on my community tab stating that, I will be on, a vacation because I was heading out of the country. So do put your notification bell on if you guys want to stay up to date as to what really is going on. But we're officially back on schedule. And from now we will see, back to what we were seeing earlier. But if we're looking at the markets, a lot has happened, especially over the past week. If we're looking at the markets, a massive amount of bloodbath across the board. What exactly is causing this? There's a lot of things happening, which again, I will get into a little bit. But if we're looking at it on the daily time frame, we're seeing some sort of a relief happening within the markets. Altcoins are once again up right now, which obviously is something that we will want to see. But if we're looking at Casper right now, up 9.3% on the daily time frame, currently sitting at almost 4 cents at 3.94. Up 10% in USD comparative. It's also up almost 11% in BTC comparative. Looking at its market cap, currently sitting at $800 million, and the 24-hour trading volume currently sitting at $16.1 million. But before we jump into the good old, the analysis, as always, just a quick disclaimer that anything on this channel is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in crypto. So Casper right now, you guys can see, it was listed once again on another new exchange, CoinEx. Now you may be saying this is not a tier 1 exchange. This is not no Coinbase. This is not no Kraken. This is not no Binance, which definitely is true. But, a new exchange adds liquidity, and, we're all up for that. So that's great to see. And obviously today we did hear something come out from Kaspa as well. It says new Kaspa integration. Now Payments IO is transforming crypto payments. By integrating Kaspa, merchants join the revolution and embrace Kaspa with ease. Plus, check out the affiliate program to boost Kaspa's adoption. So this is great to see. If you guys want to read that full article, I will strongly recommend you guys to go do that as well. But what exactly is happening within the markets? If you guys are not familiar, we are seeing SEC is trying to appeal that XRP ruling. As you guys may know, just last month, we did see that massive, long-awaited, lawsuit that was going between XRP and the SEC. It was obviously in favor of Ripple, and they won that case, but now they want to appeal that, which obviously is bringing a negative tone to the entire market. And there are rumors going around saying that ETF might be delayed till next year. And also the main news, which is Elon Musk SpaceX. If you guys are not familiar, if you're not familiar with the crypto space, I know there's a lot of new money coming into the market, so this might be your first time entering the crypto space. But what has happened over the past few hours is that there is speculation. There's also some very credible news that's going around that SpaceX, which is owned by Elon Musk, which was one of the big news last bull cycle when they acquired Bitcoin in their portfolio, but rumors has it that they have sold all their holdings in Bitcoin. If that's true, I'm not sure. Let me know in the comment section if that has been confirmed. But what is Elon Musk really doing at this point? I think he definitely has crypto. He thinks, I'm sorry, that's not the right word I was looking for. He believes in crypto. He believes in the blockchain tech. But how we're familiar that he has come out and changed Twitter completely. He has rebranded to X. Maybe he has something behind the scenes where he might just implement a new cryptocurrency onto Twitter, which possibly could be Dogecoin, and just doesn't want other cryptocurrencies in their portfolio. Maybe that might be something that they're going after, but who knows? We will see what happens. But let's take a look at Casper right now and see what is happening with Casper. So if that were to load, that would be great, but it's kind of lagging right now on our end. Let's give it a refresh live. That's not what we need. We need this one. There we are. So what we're seeing with Casper right now is, of course, just on August 6th, we saw an all-time high at 5.3 cents mark, guys. I was unable to make a video because, like I said, I was traveling outside of my country. I was just on a quick holiday, which was honestly such a great time. But, this was around the time where we did see that new all-time high, in which we were talking about in my previous updates. A lot of people around this range, when, we were very close to that price discovery mode, a lot of the people were calling the top, but we did see the price run up to that 5.3 cents mark, which was my target, which I mentioned to you guys in one of those last updates, which you guys can go watch. But after that, obviously, a lot of negative news coming around the crypto space. We did see BTC tank quite a bit. Speaking about Bitcoin, look what has happened with Bitcoin, guys. Bitcoin has lost that insanely important level of support at the $28,660 mark. Obviously, this massive red candle that we have seen happen was mainly because, in my opinion, that Elon Musk SpaceX news has come out and really caused a massive liquidation occurring within the space. We've seen apparently $1 billion liquidated over the past 24 hours, which is a huge number. So what we're seeing happening is Bitcoin is retesting those 25K level. It went all the way down to $25,000. We do have quite a bit of support built up around there, but we're sitting at $26,000. Could we potentially see BTC go back into the 78.6? That's exactly where, the 61.8 Fibonacci retracement level. We will see. This is where I do want to see the price of Bitcoin at. We will see what happens, but dominance right now continues to plummet towards the downside, 49.24%. That is quite interesting to see. Usually these kind of moves cause the dominance to increase, but we're seeing the opposite happen. And that is why, as Bitcoin is making a little bit of a move, we're seeing altcoins really go ham, and you can see this for yourself. Kaspa is up also 10% over the past 24 hours. And one thing I want you guys to keep in mind is, look how good this support line played out for us. We bounced literally right off that support line, which is insane to see. You might be coming out and saying, Crypto ZX, what is going on? Kaspa is dumping. But remember, guys, Kaspa has made it literally in a matter of a month. If you picked up some Kaspa at the beginning of July, where is July? We're here. So July was... there you are. So if you picked it up at the beginning, you're still up 53% roughly, and we're seeing a little bit of a retest. We're holding above that massive level of support, seeing a beautiful bounce towards the upside. That is exactly what you want to be seeing happening for a project like Kaspa, because remember, there's so much hype. It's a layer one. A lot of people are excited about this project. We do tend to see new projects like these every bull cycle. There's one or two projects that make massive gains across the board, make some people millionaires, and a lot of people are excited about this. So am I, and right now I'm not worried at all. Of course, you need to remember, Bitcoin is the king of the market. Everything correlates with the price of BTC, and the fact that it hit an all-time high and it's seeing a retracement like this is really healthy. Let me put that into this way here. If we measure it from its all-time high, it did go down about 30%, but now if we measure it from its May 24th low, it's up a staggering 222%, guys. And you'll never see a project just go straight up in one line. There will be times where, obviously BTC's correlation comes into play, some sort of news that happens within the crypto space that can affect that. And obviously early investors taking profits, that will always happen. But I'm really impressed how the support line was, a huge level of support, and it did play out for us. And we're seeing a little bit of a bounce happening within the price. So we will see what happens right now. All eyes should be on BTC. If Bitcoin, goes below this $4,900 support, we could potentially even see BTC going down to 23K, possibly even 22,000 support line, and that could be in the table, because right now we're sitting at some crucial levels. We will see what happens, but let me know down below what you guys think. Remember, there's a famous saying, be greedy while others are fearful, be fearful while others are greedy. The people that are being greedy right now and that are picking up the sales happening right now, let's say you were on the sidelines, you were waiting to accumulate some certain projects, not just Kaspa, maybe other project as well. Now is the time where you could potentially see a better entry while there's massive, bloodbath, massive uncertainty across the board. But again, you know what to do. Always remember to do your due diligence and research. But as far as Kaspa is concerned, I'm really liking the charts. Exactly what I would expect a project like Casper to do, but we will take it one step at a time. Right now, we do need to see the price of BTC very, very closely, because if Bitcoin retests these levels that I've mentioned, we could potentially lose this support line. So next few hours could be very interesting. But in short words, I'm really liking what I'm seeing with Casper. Love you all. See you tomorrow in Crypto ZX, and peace out.